Hi guys, welcome back to 𝙇𝙖 我係老師 Gloria. Actually, this video is not supposed to post today. So this morning I just read this article and then I just listened to this conversation. I think this conversation is very good for us to be a Cantonese learning material. So this video I would just say in Cantonese, I have already tried my best to slow down the speed. And if you still feel it's quite fast for you, you can change the option and slow down by yourself, okay? 咁近排廣州出現咗一啲新冠疫情，大家都有啲幾擔心嘅。有部分小區已經封咗，唔俾出去。咁就有呢個靚女，佢呢就有啲意見啦。咁喺呢度，我係唔會 judge 呢個女仔究竟係點。我希望大家都唔可以 judge 任何人，因為你唔知道佢嘅 background 係點。Personally, I love her pronunciation. So this conversation will show us how to negotiate with others. How could we suggest someone to do something? And the end, how could a Cantonese lose a temper? So let's see what happened.
2604呢個街坊啊，即係我唔知你係咪業主委員㗎啦，係咁嘅。而家咧佢入啊都要通行證啊，即係其實可唔可以咧大家提議下咧，即係嗰個每家每戶咧整多2張或者係3張咁咧？
係咁嘅。It's about that. So that's it. 係咁嘅。So when we trying to start a conversation, and then we could say 係咁嘅 blah 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 blah, and then tell people.What you want to say? So, for example, when you're trying to call me in a sudden and you say, Gloria,係咁嘅, I like your video, but maybe you could do something, blah, blah, blah. You could say this, okay? But don't say too much, okay?
即係咁樣好麻煩咯，好似我頭先入嚟嗰陣，即係入都要證喎，入都要證，仲要對埋身份證喎。頭先有個阿伯仲死啊，佢刁難人哋啊，人哋有證冇身份證，仲要人哋屋企人影埋身份證俾佢對喎。仲有啊，佢嗰啲證啊，如果唔係你個名要喺居委改啊，好麻煩啊。即係咁咯，可唔可以提議下即係話嗰個即係嗰個證嗰度咧寫多個人嘅名啊，又或者係即係每家每戶多2張或者係3張咁得唔得咧
？So when she trying to suggest, she say 可唔可以 blah blah blah。For example, 可唔可以俾個 like 我啊？可唔可以俾個 like 我啊？ So just now she say 發多個證得唔得㗎？發多個證得唔得㗎？得唔得 is the same of like 可唔可以 ，but remember 得唔得 should be put in at the end and 可唔可以 is put at the beginning。可唔可以俾個 like 我啊？俾個 like 我得唔得啊？俾個 like 我得唔得啊？
我係按你咁講，咪呢個封閉咪冇用咯。呢個封閉嘅作用就係唔俾啲人出去啫嘛，係咪先？
因為點講好咧？頭先啊，佢仲刁難我，爭啲唔俾我入去啊。咁咧，佢咧意思即係話咧，將呢個情況啊話俾單位聽，請假唔好翻工喎。咁老實啦，我唔可以為咗呢啲嘢冇一份工㗎。而家揾工咁難，係咪先
？So 老實 ，to be honest。
如果我揾人睇我工作，我冇咗份，咁點得啊？咁咪係咯，離晒譜喎。離晒譜，心情離晒譜。When you're trying to complain something unreasonable, you could say 離晒譜嘅。離晒譜嘅個個行入嚟都唔俾 like 我，離晒譜嘅 ，OK？So 離晒譜 就發多個證，咁得唔得㗎？
梗係唔得啦，小姐。哎呀，而家咁高危嘅時期，專登政府就唔俾你啲人走出嚟，冇辦法㗎。我都有份工㗎，都要坐乖坐喺度啊！加上啊，人哋即係你啲同事啊，知道你喺呢度啊封閉區走出去啊，都討厭你啦，係咪先？呢個出入證啊，只不過係俾你落去買生活用品同埋食品㗎咋，唔係你俾你出外㗎。
我一個人翻工同咩事啫？根本都冇同事，份工好難揾㗎。如果因為呢啲嘢冇咗個飯碗咁點啊？揾人替啊，你就冇咗個飯碗㗎咯喎，冇咗個飯碗點生活啦？我唔制㗎。
我唔制啊 ，no way！ 我唔制啊，唔制 ，no way！
唔係理由嚟㗎，即係我話俾你聽，就乖乖地喺度隔離冇辦法㗎。如果而家咁嘅疫情咁嚴峻嘅時候，呢啲嘢唔輪到你洗頸㗎。
So this uncle he say 洗頸 lost temper， 洗頸。呢啲嘢唔到你洗頸㗎 ，you can't lose a temper from this kind of stuff。
今日好似有個人出去睇病一樣，個老公有心臟病， 又要陪個老公去睇，但係冇出入證都唔俾陪出去睇啊！
份工我一定要保住，冇得傾。
份工我一定要保住，冇得傾。冇得傾 it means like can't talk, can't negotiate， 冇得傾。你一定要俾 like 我，唔係冇得傾。You have to give me like, or there is no negotiation with you。
相信呢喺12棟呢，好多人嘅壓力都會比你大嘅。你自己諗啦，有啲嘢嚇，即係我啊講到明啦。
你自己諗啦 ，think it by yourself。你自己諗啦。
中意點講都得，總之呢份工我唔想冇咗佢。你中意講咩係你嘅事，總之呢份工我要保住，唔可以冇咗佢。
總之呢份工我要保住，唔可以冇咗佢。總之 whatever， 總之你一定要俾 like 我，唔係我就嬲噶。總之你一定要俾 like 我，唔係我嬲噶。You have to give me a like, or I will be mad。講笑。
你自己考慮咯，係嘛？我只不過係提供意見俾你啫。
我只不過係提供意見俾你啫。我只不過 I just 提供意見 ，provide suggestion to you。
總之無論如何我要保住份工，唔可以冇咗佢。
總之無論如何 ，so 總之無論如何 ，all of that means like whatever。
再唔咩咧？你聽日去去居委度問下佢咯。
得啦，我唔想再講落去。總之無論如何呢份工唔想冇咗佢。我唔理你講咩好，呢啲係你嘅事。呢份工我會做到退休，我唔想冇咗佢。
我唔理你講咩都好 ，I don't care what you say。
靚女啊，唔係我決定你俾唔俾你出與入嘅問題，
唔係乜嘢乜嘢嘅問題，唔係俾唔俾 like 我嘅問題，而係俾啲動力我嘅問題。唔係乜嘢嘅問題 ，it's not about giving like or not， it's just about you give me motivation。
我唔想再同你講嘢，總之呢份工我要保住。你講咩都好，我唔聽。
我唔想同你講嘢，我唔想同你講嘢。I don't want to talk with you. Sometimes I talk with my sister in this way, very childish。
我唔理你講咩都好，都係咁話噶啦，
都係咁話噶啦，都係咁話噶啦。I still say in this way。
我點樣做係我嘅事，唔關你事。
我點做係我嘅事，唔關你事，唔關你事。It's none of your business。
而家開始我唔想同你講嘢，到你踢我出群，大不了以後唔入嚟，街坊我做。
大不了 at the worst， 唔做 YouTuber 唔緊要，大不了我就做返老師。唔做 YouTuber 唔緊要，大不了我就做返老師。If I don't be a YouTuber, it's okay. At the worst, I could just go back to become a teacher again。
好啊，夠姜你踢我出群，大不了我以後唔再入嚟，街坊我做。
So 夠姜 brave enough if you're bored enough if you have guts。OK 夠姜 very simple。夠姜你就唔好做功課，夠姜你就唔好做功課。If you have guts, just don't do your homework. Okay, that is what we learned today, and I really hope you like today's video. And if you haven't subscribed me, just subscribe me. And 如果你是来自 B 站的朋友，很不好意思，我的视频多数都是写的都是英文，很抱歉。So see you guys soon. Bye bye. Remember to subscribe me.